How to use the green screen feature on CapCut. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you one of the ways that you can use green screen feature on CapCut. So first of all, open the CapCut application, then select the video that you want to add as the background of your video. After that, adjust the volume settings, then go to the effect settings and add an effect called blur over there. Make sure that you adjust your blur settings. I'm going to adjust it to about 20, and after that I'm going to elongate the effect over the full course of the video. Also, you have to make sure that your video is as long as the effect itself. Then swipe on the bottom prompt until you find an option called overlay. Then add overlay and add the green screen video. Adjust the scale or the dimensions of the video in order to fit them if they aren't. Also adjust the length. Then scroll down until you find an option called remove BG. Then select the chroma key option and then select the green color. Intensity should be over 20. And then you can also add the shadow settings in order to fix some of the pixelated issues. And there you go. That is one of the ways that you can use the green screen feature on CapCut. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.